So what are the typical cases that I work on as a tax resolution specialist? So what I find is most of my clients tend to be self-employed. They're successful, hardworking business owners. A lot of times they fell behind. Maybe it's a divorce, a business slowdown, medical issue. All it takes is, 1 or 2 years and they fall behind, and then maybe they don't get the best advice, or they panic a little bit. They don't file, or they don't pay. And all of a sudden it's become a much bigger problem. And they're worried about, protecting their assets or protecting their family. And they're just looking for a way to get out, because they feel like the problem just keeps getting worse and worse and they don't have a plan. So the most important thing is to take a minute, breathe, and do an assessment of what their issues are, what needs to be filed, how much they owe, what's most urgent, and then come up with a plan to resolve the tax issues permanently. Okay. And put them on a plan going forward that they can afford, and make sure they're doing things correctly going forward. Sometimes it's just making some simple changes, and sometimes it's making some big changes. But again, the most important thing is making sure that the people are protected and that they have a new plan in place so that this doesn't happen again.